Hey everyone, welcome back to the DxePrep Introduction to Algebra Exponent Rules video. And in this video, we're going to talk about the product rule, which simply states that any number a to the power of m times the same number a to the power of n is going to be equal to just a to the power of m plus n. So let's try a few examples out and see if it really works. So for a, I'm just going to let that be equal to a nice and simple 2. And for m, I'm going to choose 3. And for n, I'm going to choose 4. So according to the product rule, this just should be which is 2 to the power of m plus n, which is 3 plus 4. And that must mean it's 2 to the power of 7. So now let's try to verify this. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And when you multiply them, that's 128, which is exactly what 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4 is, and what 2 to the power of 7 is. So now let's try breaking it down and try rewriting this expression over here to see what actually happens. So when we rewrite 2 to the power of 3, we can simply rewrite it as 2 times 2 times 2, and for 2 to the 4, we can rewrite this as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this occurs 4 times, and that's exactly the number on the exponent. And this occurs 3 times, which is exactly the number of the on the exponent. And when you count up all of the 2's over here, that just gives us 7 2's, which is exactly what the definition of an exponent is. So that's just equal to 2 to the power of 7. So now let's try evaluating this in terms of a's and n's. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to rewrite this expression over here and try writing it out and simplifying it, or reevaluating it. Times a to the power of n, and that's going to be the same thing as a times a times a dot dot dot, and that's going to happen m times, and we're going to multiply that by a times a times a dot 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 n times. And we see here that the total number of a's over here is simply just m plus n. And that's exactly what the exponent over here is. And that's exactly why the product rule works. So I hope you guys understood how the product rule works and maybe applied in connection to combining different exponents and applying it in different situations.